First, let's get familiar with everything that comes in the box. Here, you have the head mount for the softener cartridge, one mounting bracket, the Vapor Pure cartridge, one shutoff valve, a T-pipe fitting, mounting hardware, and a 6-foot length of 1/4-inch tubing. To connect the head of the system to the cartridge, line up the grooves on either side of each part. Push them together and turn the cartridge clockwise to secure. Note the flow of water arrow on the system head before mounting. Cut the tubing to size using a tubing cutter or blade. Tubing length will vary depending on the configuration of your installation. After cutting the lengths needed for your tubing, begin connecting the tubing to the head, securing with the provided horseshoe clips. Continue connecting the pipes securely to each fitting, ensuring a tight fit to prevent any possible leaks. Your system should be arranged like so. Next, begin installing the mounting bracket. Make sure to install it in a location that is near the cold water supply and easily accessible. Mount the Vapor Pure to the bracket. Again, note the flow of the water arrow on the system head to determine the placement of the system before attaching it to the mounting bracket. Secure the Vapor Pure to the bracket using the 4 short 1/2-inch screws provided and connect the final end of the outlet tubing. Next, be sure to turn off the cold water supply valve before connecting to Vapor Pure. Connect one end of the tubing from the inlet fitting of the head to the cold water supply and secure. Connect the other end of the tubing from the T-fitting to the shutoff valve of the Aquafire. Once secure, slowly turn the shutoff valve on Aquafire counterclockwise until it stops in the on position. Slowly turn on the cold water supply, and the Vapor Pure cartridge will now fill with water. Slowly turn the lever on the shutoff valve counterclockwise until water begins to flow out of the shutoff valve. Don't forget to have a bucket or drain in place to catch the dispensed water. Let water flow into a bucket for at least 5 minutes to flush the cartridge. Double and triple check all of your water connections. We don't want any leaks. And just like that, you've installed the Vapor Pure water softener. Thanks for watching.